Hey, I'm Jim Tierney, president of Digital Anarchy. We're here in the Speechmatics booth, and we're showing off our solution for Premiere Pro. It's called Transcriptive, and it allows video editors to get transcripts right within Premiere. They can edit it right within Premiere. Every word has time code, so as you click on the words, it jumps to that point in the sequence or the clip. We're also talking about our new panel for Premiere called Power Search, and that allows you to search all of your transcribed videos. So if you have, like, say, 30 hours of footage, 50 clips, they've all been transcribed, Power Search will search all of it, give you results much like a search engine. So as you click on those results, it'll jump to that point in time in the sequence or in the clip. And then we are also talking about Transcriptive.com, which is the web version of Transcriptive, and that will allow you to send transcripts to a web browser, allow a producer, a client, an assistant editor to do the editing, and then send that back to the editor in Premiere, and you can use it from there. So it's the Transcriptive suite of tools. We're using Speechmatics on the back end to get the AI transcriptions, and it's a great solution. And if you're a Premiere editor, you should really check it out.